Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about conditional formatting. I'm going to go through with you what conditional formatting is and show you in practice how it works. So what is it? Conditional formatting is where you tell Excel to format a cell or a bunch of cells based on a set of conditions. For example, you can tell Excel if this particular cell equates to more than 100,000, then I want you to color it in green. If it's less than 100,000, the color in red, or if this particular cell ever has the word marketing in there, then turn it yellow, something along those lines. You can set some criteria so it formats the cell in colors, or you can bold and underline and italics and that sort of stuff. So that's what conditional formatting is. It's really a simple trick you can use. Well, I should say trick, it is a function, but I call it a trick because it's quite useful. So it's very good for using it for a visual basis. So when you've got a bunch of data, especially when you've got a large spreadsheet, things can look a bit blurry and numbers kind of get blurred with each other and things like that. Sometimes it's nice just to see things pop out in color. So I'll show you what I mean, how that works. So I've got some data here. It's just some random data. I've actually used this data before when I was doing if statements. If you want to have a look at my video on if statements, top right hand corner of this video, there's a link to that. So here I've got employee ID, name, department, start date, commission, and whether or not these people receive a higher or lower end bonus. For this purpose, you don't need to know what the criteria for that is. It's just the information that's there. So I'm going to use conditional formatting in this particular cell. And what I'm going to say is if any of these cells turn into a lower end bonus, then I want this cell to turn red. So there's actually a formula in here which I'll go through in a second. So first of all, I'm going to set my conditional formatting. So I'm going to select the entire cell, the entire column, sorry. I'm going to click on conditional formatting in the home tab. I'm going to go to highlight cell rules and I'm going to say a text that contains. So if this text contains lower end bonus, then I can choose which color I want, but I'm going to say light red fill with dark text and click OK, and it's done that for me. So any of these cells that equal lower end bonus, they turn into this color. And I can do the same thing. I can say conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, text that contains higher end bonus, we will change to green. So let's go with green. So there we go. So any words that say higher end bonus, green, lower end bonus, red. That's conditional formatting. It's literally that. You format the cell based on a set of conditions. There's so many different conditions available. I did text, but you can do numbers, a date occurring, for example. One quite cool one is actually a color graph. So for example, I can set, it's probably too much data to work with actually. Let's say I've got some random data, say 20, 50, and 90, 999, 150, and 80, okay? If I've got this random set of data and I want to know in order what's high to low based on colors, I can actually use conditional formatting, use a color scale, and go from large to bottom. So green to red, so green meaning high, so 999 is obviously green, and we know the lowest number is red. That's a very simple example of using conditional formatting. It's so easy. And if I go back to this column here, so lower end bonus, higher end bonus. The reason this says lower end bonus is if this commission figure here happens to be less than 100,000, then the words lower end bonus appear here. Otherwise, the word higher end bonus appears here. That's why you've got lower and higher bonus. It's based on the formula. Now, the key and beauty of conditional formatting is that it will change with whatever text changes. So if this person here now has commission of 101,000, they're going to be on the higher end bonus. So those words should change to higher end bonus. But because the words have changed to higher end bonus, the colors are also going to change to higher end bonus. So 101,000. And as you can see, the words change to higher end bonus, so colors change to higher end bonus. So you can already see how beneficial this can be. If you apply this conditional formatting, say for example, you get a new set of data each day and you paste this over, you don't have to repeat this. You can use this formula and it will change accordingly. And that's the beauty of all formulas and all functions in Excel. When you actually use them and implement them into your day-to-day work, into long-term spreadsheets that you're using, once they're there, you can really build up a solid spreadsheet that has functions and colors and formatting all working cohesively together. And that's why I love Excel. I mean, there's so many functions there. So check out our other videos. There's so many other videos that we have on VLOOKUPs and drop down and random numbers, all sorts of functions in Excel. We're trying to build this up as much as we can for you. And we are a company that offers tuition. So if you need any help in Excel, if you need a tutor, say you've just started to learn how to use Excel, or you don't know how to use it at all, you've just started a job, whatever it may be, contact us. The link's in the description. Our website's there. You can send us a message and let us know, and we can find out if we can actually help you with Excel. You may be a company, you need some consulting needs with some spreadsheets that you have, some data analysis. If you need any help with that and you're a business, get in contact with us, send us a message, and again, we can talk and figure out if we're able to help you. That's what we're here for. So I hope this video was useful. Please like the video if you did like it. Check out our other videos, check out the website, links are all in the description, etc. And thanks for watching.